Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marvel the creator here. Today we'll be talking about dollars. We'll be talking about 5 hot ways you can actually make money online and you earn your money in dollars. Okay, and here's a big question I have for you guys. Are you willing to start making money in dollars? Are you willing to start earning money in dollars? If you're actually willing to start earning money in dollars, please tell me in the comment section below, okay? Tell me how you see it, tell me your ideas, okay? And I'll respond to you there. And right now, please, I want you to share this video to as many as possible, okay? Because we are in hard times now in Nigeria. I know the dollar rate to Naira rate is on the high side, okay? What you do for me is sit back and enjoy this video. Let's get started into the video, okay? As of today, when I checked dollar rate to Naira rate, it was around 571. Oh my god, oh my goodness, that's too high, okay? And I advise us to start saving in dollars. Please, I will advise us to start saving in dollars, okay? So like I've said, share this video to as many as possible, okay? The first one is freelancing. You becoming a freelancer. Trust me, if you say you don't know how to become a freelancer, you don't have any skills. Trust me, you don't have skills, okay? Now, what is a freelancer? A freelancer is a person who says use your skills to earn money. Whatsoever you know how to do, put it online and you make your money, okay? That's what a freelancer is. Here's a simple exercise I have for you guys. Just jot down 10 good things you know how to do, any few skills you know how to do. It could be typing, it could be writing, it could be web design, it could be graphics, anything you know how to do, just put them down. Guys, I'll be showing you now on my screen how to become a freelancer. You, after putting down your skills, how to put them into action and you start earning money. So guys, all you need to do is come up to this website, which is called upwork.com, and here on this website you can actually create an account and set up your profile. And while setting up your profile, all the skill sets you've actually listed down, which you know how to do, you actually input them here and you could get hired ASAP. And here is a key word I have for you. Please hold it very, very tight. All you have to do is, while setting up your profile, you have to make your profile unique. You could add videos to your profile and you could earn at least $100 per hour, $200 per hour. It all depends on the job you're given, okay? And here you can see this is a WordPress site changes, estimated budget, which is $500. So you can actually come here, click on it, and you could actually apply or submit a proposal to this person and you could get hired. Yeah, you could get hired. It's a bonus tip I have for you guys. Here on upwork.com, I want you guys to go for jobs with lower amounts. And why I'm saying this is just for you to build up your resume and your profile. And why you go for jobs like $20, you could get good reviews and just build up your resume and your profile. And remember here, like I've said, there are some other people who actually get local clients, which is very good. But here we're talking about how to earn money online in dollars. And here you could get jobs from so many ways all over the country and you get paid in different currencies. This is the second way which you could actually get money in dollars, which is you being hired as a virtual assistant. And I will tell you, you can also use this website, upwork.com, to get hired as a virtual assistant and you make so much money. And here is the trick I have for you. You can handle 2 jobs, 3 jobs, 4 jobs, 5 jobs at the same time, which the jobs are very, very easy. When I mean easy, they are very, very lit. And guess the kind of jobs they tell you to do. They can tell you delete spam from my mails, upload images, upload text on my Instagram account, help me manage my Facebook page, so more. And you grab, and I can tell you there are thousands of clients ready to give you jobs, some kind of lazy ass clients. The third way to earn money in dollars is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, once you start doing it, you could earn $100 to $1,000. Just imagine you earning that kind of money with zero struggle. And I can say once you have that knowledge of sales on you, you can actually earn so much through affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is just you simply referring people to buy someone's products, or you selling someone's products and you earn a commission. And you can use Jumia.com, you can use Namecheap. There's so many I can actually give you, and yeah, I'll be providing you an ebook in the description below, which you can actually use to build yourself and know how to earn so much money from affiliate marketing. Happy to tell you this fourth way which you can actually make money in dollars and you earn so much money. And the fourth way is actually cryptocurrency. I've actually tried this. I've invested in cryptocurrency and I've actually made a huge lot of money from cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is actually similar to dollar to naira rate. The way it increases, that's how cryptocurrency works. Yeah, and I can say once you invest at the early stage, when the value of the coin actually increases or actually builds up, you get to earn thousands of money. Yeah, and cryptocurrency is a very wide space, and crypto has gone very far. And yeah, some few cryptocurrency which you can actually invest on. We have Bitcoin, we have Litecoin, we have Ethereum, and so many more. So guys, I actually want you to take this one also serious, because you get to earn a whole lot of money. So guys, I'm actually excited to tell you this last way which you can actually make thousands of dollars, and it's something I do every single day. That's what I do, and I earn thousands of dollars from. And this is something I do every single day. I do this and I earn so much dollars from it. And yeah, it is actually you developing websites and developing mobile apps. Yeah, but as a developer, which you just have to have a little programming skills to be able to develop both websites and mobile apps. And you could actually have interest in developing websites alone, and you can also have interest in developing mobile apps alone. So from there, you can actually develop any kind of website, a simple website, a simple app, a calculator app, any kind of app, any kind of idea that comes to your head. Just put it down, do some little coding, and develop those things which you can actually sell to different clients, home, abroad, all over the world. Like I've said, you earn your money in dollars, okay? So you can actually upload your product, like which is your project, the app you just developed, the website you just developed. You will actually upload them on different websites which people, our clients, can actually buy from, and you get your money in dollar. You can get your money through your PayPal account, through cryptocurrency, through Payhona. There's so many. But trust me, very soon I'll be showing you guys how to develop simple websites and a simple app. Like I've said, you could sell your project online. You could sell that website and mobile app you just developed online, which I can give you Evanto.com, CodeClex.com, CodeCanon.net. You sell your projects there, and you can also use the website I gave you, which is Upwork.com. We also have Fiverr.com. We have Freelancer.com, which you actually see clients who will tell you, help me create this website, help me create this mobile app. You can use WordPress, PHP, JavaScript, so many things you can actually do for those clients, and you can earn up to $500 per hour you developing those. So guys, I actually want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video, like this video if you love what I just did, and smash the notification bell for you to get updates anytime I post a new video. Thank you so very much. I love you all.